You can quickly delete your Facebook Marketplace listing using a mobile app or desktop web browser. You can delete the post related to items, vehicles, and properties or remove the boosted post if you want. Remember, deleting a listing is permanent. So, be careful and recheck before doing this action on your account. Let's learn this process on both the mobile app and web app of Facebook. How to delete Facebook Marketplace listing using your mobile app. First, open your Facebook app or Facebook Lite application. Once you are on your Facebook homepage, press the three-line menu from the top or lower right corner. Next, choose the Marketplace option under the All Shortcuts heading to access. Now, tap the user image from the upper right corner of your screen. It is right next to the search button. Then, choose your listing below the seller section to see all the posts on your account. Finally, tap the three dots next to a post and select the Delete Listing option. After you confirm it on the prompt, that post from the marketplace will disappear immediately. How to delete Facebook Marketplace listing using desktop web app. Follow this process on your computer or laptop to delete your Facebook Marketplace listing. First, press the Marketplace option from the left panel of your Facebook homepage. You can also press its icon from the top. Next, click the Selling option right above the Create New Listing button. You can see your listed items on the right panel. After that, press the three dots at the lower right corner of a post and choose the Delete Listing option. Finally, press the Delete button on the prompt, and that post will immediately disappear. You can repeat the same steps above for any other listing to remove it from your account. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.